CMC ALUNA Motorhome. The CMC ALUNA Motorhome represents the pinnacle of Italian craftsmanship in the high-end RV industry. It embodies the ideal combination of experience and creativity, of caution and risk-taking. Handcrafted with care and precision by self-assured artisans in Italy, each motorhome is a masterpiece. No customer is ever left wanting by the distinctive amenities offered by CMC motorhomes. The client's needs are taken into account during the customization of the building, systems, and furnishings. When it comes to reducing the environmental effect of their cars, CMC comes up with innovative technical solutions, boosts material quality, and helps out. Impressively balanced overall dimensions and conventional EU dimensions characterize the ALUNA model in all its splendor. This recreational vehicle is more than simply a means of transportation. It is a monument to elegance, craftsmanship, and high standards. Timbercraft Big Sky. A tiny house model that captures the spirit of both country charm and contemporary comfort is the Timbercraft Big Sky. The minimalist design of this tiny house takes design cues from the natural splendor of western Montana, creating an intimate and fashionable environment despite its small footprint. The Big Sky is constructed on an electric-braked, custom-built trailer with 2x4 wall and roof structure, 3 inches of closed-cell spray foam insulation for increased energy efficiency and longevity, and other innovative features. Featuring high-quality finishes and meticulous attention to detail, the interior features a warm and welcoming arrangement that is evocative of the expansive Montana skies. A prime example of Timbercraft Tiny Home's dedication to producing aesthetically beautiful and functional homes is the Big Sky model. If you're looking to live a minimalist lifestyle without giving up all the usual home amenities. Microhaus. The state-of-the-art Microhaus won the coveted Red Dot Award in 2023 for its groundbreaking design. Severe energy economy, hurricane resistance, earthquake safety, and severe snow and wind load capacities are just a few of the qualities that set this completely autonomous unit apart from the others. It was also intended to surpass all current US laws and criteria. Air conditioning, heating, ventilation, television, premium sound systems, bedding, and even wine glasses are all part of the completely furnished and equipped package that these small dwellings come in. Interiors are meticulously designed by designers with backgrounds in aerospace and automotive, guaranteeing long-lasting beauty and functionality. Designed in Europe and manufactured in the USA, Microhaus dwellings are lightweight and easy to move around. They require no groundworks for delivery to a variety of terrains, including beaches and mountains, and can be set up in little over an hour. STX Volvo FH 540. Designed to provide the highest possible level of both safety and quality, the STX Volvo FH 540 is a high-performance horse truck. It is equipped with a 540 horsepower engine that is able to handle anywhere from 4 to 9 horses. With a weight of 26 tons, the truck is equipped with a Volvo FH chassis. The apparatus features 1 push-up, 2 pop-outs, and 1 side ramp for your convenience. Rubber flooring, skylights, cooling fans, a surveillance camera, adjustable walls, and a temperature registration system are all features that are included in the horse area. The living space is supplied with leather seats, satellite television, a unique audio system, and a split air conditioning system, all of which contribute to the opulent atmosphere. Within the kitchen area, there is a refrigerator, a ceramic cooking top, and a microwave oven on the premises. The bathroom section features a toilet, a sink, a cabinet. Truck Surf Hotel. Those in search of an unforgettable adventure can stay in style at the Truck Surf Hotel, a one-of-a-kind mobile hotel. With its July 2017 launch, it provides a mobile home that is both elegant and comfortable, taking guests on a journey through Portugal and Morocco. Constructed on a Mercedes Actros truck chassis, the hotel offers 5 rooms spread over 2 stories, along with Wi-Fi, surfboards, and wetsuits as amenities. The idea for this came from owners Daniela Carneiro and Eduardo Ribeiro, who wanted to share the nomad surf lifestyle with others. Thanks to the hotel's mobility, guests may ride the waves to the top and see the world in all its glory. With its unique combination of surfing, cultural immersion, and the flexibility to explore the coastlines of southwest Portugal, northern Portugal, and Morocco, in accordance with the surf seasons, the Truck Surf Hotel stands out as the only mobile hotel with individual rooms. Cortez 17 Camper. Adventurers that value comfort and long-term durability will love the Cortez 17 Camper, a luxury travel trailer. True four-season capability is assured by its double-hulled structure with a honeycomb core, which eliminates the need for wood, carpet, or linoleum. Molded anti-skid fiberglass floors and a zero-rivet design with stainless steel fasteners are features of this camper. A 19-inch smart LED TV, 2 speakers, and a maritime digital media receiver bundle are available for entertainment purposes. A 190-watt solar package, electric jack and stabilizing system, tank heaters, electric brakes, and a timber and axle-less suspension are also included in the camper. Hot water on demand, double-paned acrylic windows with built-in shades and screens, and a revolutionary grey water disposal system are some of the features that contribute to the 2,680 pounds. Dry weight. It has RVIA-approved drawers constructed of king starboard throughout. Mars15 Premium. A hybrid caravan. The Mars15 Premium has all the advantages of both camper trailers and off-road caravans. Stylish, comfortable, and convenient, it is perfect for family adventures. For its design, it drew on cutting-edge innovation and the best practices in the business. A king-size bed, a U-shaped couch lounge that can be converted into a bed, a Truma rapid hot water system, a Dometic rooftop Harrier light air conditioner, and more are all standard features of the Mars15 Premium. The combination of its roomy interior with its convenient sleeping arrangement and plenty of storage space makes it the perfect travel companion. The most recent model, the Mars15 Premium MK2, offers an even greater degree of ease and comfort thanks to its upgraded features and conveniences. Crafted with painstaking precision, it ensures that each journey is one to remember. VARIO Signature 1200. With its combination of German engineering, unrivaled elegance, and practicality, the VARIO Signature 1200 stands as the peak of luxury RVs. At 39 feet in length and 26 tons in weight, this monster is a real monster. An impressive 6-cylinder turbodiesel engine producing 523 horsepower powers the vehicle, which is mounted on a Mercedes-Benz Actros chassis. The built-in garage of the Signature 1200 is its distinguishing feature. It can accommodate a Mercedes SL, Porsche 911, or Mini Cooper, among other expensive vehicles. This function gives you the freedom to explore more than what the RV can handle, thanks to the agility of your car. A multi-function kitchen block, leather-covered doors, and American walnut wood veneer adorn the interior of the Signature 1200, which can sleep up to 6 people. Also included are a full bathroom, a washer or dryer, a lighting system controlled by a microprocessor, and an entertainment system by Bose. Severn Lamb Double-Deck Trolley. A marvel of contemporary engineering, the Severn Lamb Double-Deck Trolley is a combination of historical elegance and cutting-edge technology that is a miracle in construction. It is the crowning splendor of any attraction, retail center, or city to have this handcrafted trolley that is styled with brass and wood that is durable. It is powered by tried and tested electrical technology, which guarantees its durability and makes it simple to maintain. This trolley offers a one-of-a-kind experience because it works on a track and can accommodate anywhere from 50 to 70 passengers. It is available in open, semi-enclosed, or enclosed passenger compartment types, and it has the capability of reaching a maximum speed of 16 kilometers per hour. There is the possibility of incorporating contemporary elements, such as LED external lighting. This trolley, which has 2 decks, provides passengers with an experience that is incredibly genuine. Maxus 5th 90 Villa Edition. A groundbreaking double-decker camper van, The SAIC Maxus Life Home V90 Villa Edition is definitely worth mentioning. With the addition of the third story, the inside area increases to 348 square feet. There is a living area, kitchen, luxury bar, and bathroom on the main floor, which has pop-out walls. Use the elevator to reach the second floor, where you'll find a variety of spaces perfect for study, zen tea, or basking in the sun. Bonus amenities on this level include a front balcony and a see-through OLED TV. For added discretion, the windows can be turned from see-through to opacity. Outside, LED lights improve visibility and add style. Included with the V90 Villa Edition is a cooking area that can be pulled out, allowing for an outside kitchen experience. The current price in China is around $413,000. We can rethink mobile homes in light of this groundbreaking recreational vehicle. NuCamp 2022 Cirrus 820. A truck camper with a hard side and a non-slide design, the NuCamp 2022 Cirrus 820 is designed to accommodate a short bed vehicle that is either 3 per 4 ton or 1 ton in capacity. It comes equipped with solar power as a basic feature, making it ideal for off-grid camping. Due to the fact that this camper is fitted with the Alde heating and hot water system, it is able to provide warmth on nights when the temperature is low. A roomy dinette sitting space, a well-equipped kitchenette with high-quality equipment, and a wet bath with a sink that folds down are some of the features that are included in the traveling trailer. In order to provide the highest possible level of comfort, the sleeping space is equipped with the Trolley sleep system, a pass-through window, an inverter solar roof kit, and a wireless back camera system are some of the additional amenities that are included. It is true that the Cirrus 820 is your home away from home. Houseboat Classic 180. The Houseboat Classic 180 is a houseboat that is capable of self-propulsion and has life support systems that operate independently. This houseboat offers a one-of-a-kind and comfortably pleasant experience on the river by combining traditional allure with contemporary conveniences. As a result of its wide interiors, comfy sleeping quarters, and fully equipped kitchen, it is an ideal location for romantic getaways as well as family vacations. You will be able to take pleasure in the breathtaking panoramas from the sun deck of the Houseboat Classic 180, embark on leisurely cruises through tranquil waterways, and make memories that will last a lifetime with the people you care about. In the event that you are looking for a one-of-a-kind solution for either your home or your office, the Houseboat Classic 180 is a fantastic available option. Discover the Houseboat Classic 180 and get ready to embark on the vacation of your dreams on the water now. Trigano Sequoia. One option to make your camping vacation more enjoyable is to bring along the Nouveauté Raclette Trigano Sequoia, which is a folding caravan that is both spacious and sophisticated. Due to the fact that it combines comfort, functionality, and adaptability so effectively, it is an excellent choice for going on outdoor excursions with friends or family. The innovative caravan sticks out from the crowd due to the excellent characteristics and contemporary beauty it possesses. Because of its modular architecture, it is possible to simply customize it with additional equipment that is optional. This is a significant advantage. To give one example, it can be outfitted with either an inflatable awning, which allows for simple installation while traveling. When you add the awning as an additional accessory, the Sequoia can be yours for a price of €2,190, which is significantly lower than the standard model's price of €8,590. Grande S1. Innovative and groundbreaking, the Grande S1 is a mobile tiny house that unfolds automatically. In just 15 minutes, its diminutive 140 square feet can be expanded into a roomy 364 square feet, making it towable with an F250 or similar vehicle. There is a living room, kitchen, bedroom, and bathroom in the Grande S1. Insulated polyurethane panels for the walls and roof, a laminate-covered plywood floor, and a high-tensile steel frame make it up. There is a conventional RV water input, a water heater, a CO2 or smoke alarm, and an air conditioner in the house. In addition, it has a complete electrical system that runs on 120 volts and can be connected to the power grid or it may be used independently with the optional solar energy storage system. The Renogy-powered solar system is available in 5 kWh and 40 kWh increments. This cutting-edge home offers an unparalleled combination of portability, luxury, and eco-friendliness.